Hello you lovely friends, how are you all doing this beautiful day? I'm Ishna and I welcome you back to my channel. From the title you're aware that you're up for a Miniso haul. I had visited Miniso some time back when the lockdown hasn't started, so I purchased a couple of products which I wanted to showcase and share some opinion as well, because I have already started using some of these. But yeah, if you want to see what all I have purchased, as I have this big bag full of products to talk about. You'll get Miniso products on Amazon as well as Flipkart. So if you want to purchase any of these, either you wait for the lockdown to get over and then you go to the store, or else you can purchase it online as well. However, given the circumstance, I don't ask you to go out of your house to a Miniso store if it is not locked down in your area. However, we'll quickly get started, dive into what all I have purchased and some feedback as well. But before we get started, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon next to it so that you're notified for all my future uploads. And now let's dive into the package, shall we? Before we get started with all the products, I just wanted to share what lipstick I'm wearing today. It's from the Free the Nudes collection by L'Oreal Color Riche range, and this is in the shade No Hesitation. I hope you can read the name. Yeah. So this is what is on my lips today. It's a pretty nude, and it goes just well with the smoky blue eyes that I have today. I wanted to talk about the lipstick first, because if I get the query in the comment section, by that time I have already usually forgotten what I was wearing that day on my lips. So I thought I'll clarify this right away. Now let's get into the packet. Okay, so the first one is an Inkjet series scent diffuser for the room. This is in the Tropical Peach variant, and I have already started using this. As you can see, it's you can hear the sound is empty. The best part of Miniso skin scent diffusers are that you get testers here which you flip, and you can exactly get the scent and you can get an idea what you are purchasing. We have already started using this for quite some time. I'll try to put a snippet of that scent diffuser somewhere on screen so that you can take a look. We are already using it. That's why this is empty. This one has got usually 6 white reeds and a 100 ml diffuser, which is in the oil diffuser actually, and you pay rupees 250 for this. All these scent diffusers are for 250 rupees, and for that you are getting 6 white reeds and all. It's a very useful purchase. Why? I'll tell you, because I have 2 construction sites next to my house on 2 sides of my building. So my house is all time smelling of dust, cement and all that. So it just helps me have a proper nice smell inside the room, and of course combat the weird smell of the construction site. And so this, as the name suggests, is Tropical Peach. It is actually what a fruit salad would smell like. Trust me, or a fruit cocktail would smell like. I can smell banana, mango, oranges and all sorts of lovely fruits if they are all blended together, and you will get this scent. It's a beautiful scent. It's meant for summers. This is what we are currently using, and I'm totally in love with this. Once I run out of this, I will definitely, if the lockdown is over and I can either go to the store or place an order on Amazon, I will definitely reach out for this one, because I have seen this is available on Amazon. I'll try to leave the links of these products in the description box below as well. In case you want to check those out, you can do it. Moving on to the next product. This is another scent diffuser, and this is in this beautiful green cardboard packaging. This indicates a fresh lime and lemony scent, and that is precisely what this is. This is lemongrass. It's mentioned right here. This is sealed. We haven't started using this. Okay. This is a fresh burst of lemon and lemongrass in your nose at the moment you smell it. It's so fresh and refreshing. I'm pretty much sure once we are done with the Tropical Peach one, once that is over, we will be using this, and maybe on a rotation we will go back to this one, because there were other variants available as well, like some vanilla or something like that, which is not apt for this season. That's why I'm not going to purchase it right now. Maybe in the winters I can think about it, but then I will be definitely reaching out for this one. This is also rupees 250, and both of them, they smell beautiful. This is fresh and that is fruity. It's amazing. It not only makes your room smell good, but it also makes you feel good about your room as well. So I highly recommend these scent diffusers in your room if you want to give it a try. These are great purchases. Next up, I have a candle from Miniso, and this is in the variant Pure Jasmine. Now this is not a recent purchase. I just clubbed it with this haul so that I can show it to you. This is a one-off purchase that I did from Amazon only. For this one I didn't go to a store, and I got a set of 2. So this is sealed, and the other one we are currently using. Not currently, I purchased this early days of winter this year, and that is now kept aside. We are not using it, but I will leave an image of the one that we are currently using. This is sealed pack. I'm not opening this. It's a proper jasmine fragrance. The tester has gone off here. It's not locking in, so the smell is pretty much worn off from this part. But if I bring my nose to the tester, I can get a sniff of the fragrance. This is a beautiful fragrance, but what I felt is it doesn't emanate, because I have used the other one for this one. So if once we are done with these two, I don't think I'll be purchasing this one. Maybe another variant to try if this is a common thing that happens with this one, this Miniso candles, or it is just a one-off situation that I got, because this doesn't emanate that scent for a longer span or for a large space of your room. So wherever your candle is lit, around that area only you can smell this, and it's a beautiful scent. It's jasmine, so it's a pure white floral scent. The packaging is also very nice, and the size is also good. You're paying rupees 190 for 150 grams of product here, so everything is good. There is nothing that I would say it's bad or anything. It's just that the scent doesn't diffuse to a longer span, longer stretches, which the scent diffuser definitely does. So I prefer that one compared to this one. So not very happy with candles from Miniso, but the scent diffusers are really good. Now rest of the products are stacked up in this storage box. This is also a new purchase from Miniso. So I'm always looking up for storage boxes so that I can store my products there. So I found this one. I will show you in a while once I'm done with everything that is there inside the box. Next, I have a couple of perfumes. Of course, I walk into a Miniso store and I won't be purchasing perfumes. That's not gonna happen. I have Dazzle Aurora with me. I have already reviewed the Dazzle Star variant, which is a beautiful fragrance, and this one is no exception as well. I am not going to review this in detail at this point because I would need time to test it out. It's a very mild scent, this one. This is not a very supremely strong fragrance, but look at the color and the bottle. It's so beautiful. So yes, so from the Dazzle line, now I have both. I will either be doing a comparison or an individual review for Dazzle or Aurora. Let me know what you want to see and leave it in the comment section. I will film accordingly. This is an Eau de Parfum, so expected this will last decently, and this retails for $560. So this is the first perfume that I got from Miniso this time. Next up is a repeat purchase. This is Justice Striker from the League of Legends collection. Me and my husband, we both love it like anything. This is a stunning, romantic, very seductive fragrance. So we both enjoy this, and this is our second bottle. Sorry, it's stuck inside. So yeah, it's safe that way. This is how the bottle looks like. It's a beautiful blackish midnight black color onwards towards translucent blue. It's a stunning packaging. It's a stunning fragrance as well. So if you are looking for a great fragrance for men, give this one a try, because this is super budget friendly as well. You're getting a 50 ml EDT and you're paying rupees 460 for it. So it's a beautiful fragrance. Can vouch for it. I have already done a review for this in one of my product empties, and this, as I said, it's a repeat purchase. This shows how much both me and my husband loved it. And when I say me and my husband, because I use his perfumes as well, likewise he does the same. So we both love it, and that's why we stocked this one up for the second time. Okay, next up I have Wild Warrior. This is also from the League of Legends. This is the second variant that was available in League of Legends. I have seen this tons of times on Flipkart and Amazon, and I always wondered what it would smell like. So when we went into the store, we found a tester and we sniffed it. We kind of liked it, so thought maybe, yeah, we can try this. The bottle, the packaging is pretty much similar. This is just in black and orange, and that is in black and blue. This is a fruity woody one. The other one is kind of aquatic, sensual woody types. Oh, this is a fun-loving fragrance. I will definitely review this sometime after usage, so that I can talk about longevity and everything. The price point is pretty much same. For 50 ml you pay rupees 460 for this EDT. It's a beautiful purchase. I can't take my pick, that is better or this one. That will be judged based on how they fare on the skin. Right now, of course, Justice Striker is something we already know, so we lean a bit more towards that, but this is no way bad. So we will test this out and I will share my review definitely. Next up I have a body mist from Miniso. Miniso have launched a couple of body mists this time. I love the packaging. Just look at it. It shouts springtime or even autumn as well. This is called Exotic Love. The packaging is so beautiful. It's a transparent bottle with this sticker on top. The liquid is, I believe, transparent as well, or a peachy colored liquid, I'm not sure. A slightly peachy colored liquid. And oh yeah, it's a fruity burst of fruits. It's so nice and fresh, fruity fresh types. Yeah, it's a great beach scent. I think it's going to be a great beach party type of a scent. Exotic Love. Yeah, this retails for rupees 260 and you get 250 ml. Like I said, it is definitely a fruit concoction as well, but compared to the other perfumes, this is definitely not going to last longer. I'm pretty much sure. These are body mists, but nonetheless it's a nice packaging as well, and nice scent. I'm looking forward to use this and review it for you. Nice. For this one I couldn't find tester, so this is kind of a blind buy. Even in the store the tester was not there. Okay, next up I have a stationery item. I got these 5 sets of pens from Miniso. These are gel pens, and this retails for rupees 50. The price point is mentioned right here. So 10 rupees each for a pen. I need pen for various writing and all. So I just stocked up on this one when I saw it has a set of 5. That is the next purchase. So students, they can also venture into the store whenever it is feasible, not right now, and purchase such stationery products. You will get tons of notebooks and all that stuff. Since I don't need notebooks at this point, I have my stock. I'm not purchasing any. I didn't purchase any notebook from there. Next up is an oil absorbing sheet. This is something I picked up because I have oily skin, acne prone skin. So I have a tendency to secrete a lot of oil around the T-zone specifically. So this will help in blotting that from my face. I haven't used this. I don't know how this is. This is something I saw in Shalini Mandal's video, and inspired from that I purchased this one. I hope it will help me as well. This retails for 260 rupees, and for that you are getting 50 pieces of oil absorbing sheets. kind of expensive in my opinion, but if it works, I might be okay with it. But to know that I will have to use this, then only I can share my feedback with you. Next up, I have these cute hand sanitizers for traveling purpose as well. You can take these and carry. Not that I'm traveling anywhere, but nonetheless they look cute. But this time they have increased the prices. Last time I guess when we went there and got our hands on sanitizers from Miniso, these small ones used to retail for 60, and now these are ₹100, which is too much. So maybe I won't be reaching out for these anymore. I got 4 variants with me. Right now I have only 2 because I have gifted the other 2 to my mother-in-law. I will leave an image of all the 4 before I sent those 2 to her. I took a picture so that I can share it with you. So the variants that I have with me are lavender. This is what lavender looks like. And aloe. This is what aloe looks like. So the smells are pretty basic. The lavender one smells like lavender, and the aloe vera one smells like that. The other 2 variants were lemon and something to do with peach. I think so. Peach or potpourri, something like that. I forgot. I will leave an image so that you can see what all these are. I mean, the other 2 look like. So yes, I have already used these. I know they are good, but they are overpriced at this point. Previously 60 rupees for this made still sense. Right now it's overpriced. I am not going to purchase this again. Then I have purchased one nail polish in the lavender or a purple color only, and this retails for ₹90. And I love nail polishes. If you want to see the swatch for this and a kind of a review or take on this, you will have to check my Instagram, either Facebook or Instagram. Anywhere you follow me, you will get the reviews or the nail swatches there. And lastly, I have this beautiful storage basket. This is something in this beautiful mint green color. The best part, you can actually specify what you have written, what you are putting inside, so that you can look at the writing and pull it out and see and know for sure what is inside this box. I like the concept. I love the color. The material is very sturdy, and this retails for ₹140. So extremely happy with this purchase, because who doesn't need storage boxes, right? So that's it. I have shared all the products that I have purchased from the store, and also the one product that I purchased from Amazon. I've shared with you. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a like, share it with your friends, and comment in the comment section to let me know what all you have purchased from Miniso, if you could, before the lockdown, not recently at all. Or if you have purchased anything from the online store, which is at Amazon or Flipkart as well, you can mention those in the comment section and we can chat there a bit. You can also follow me on my socials. All the details are listed in the description box below and at the end of the video, because for the nail swatch, at least the nail polish swatches, you will get it there only. I don't do nail polish swatch videos for YouTube. I do it only for Instagram, so you might want to check that out. And for the perfume reviews, stay tuned. Those will be coming your way very soon. So yes, before you leave this video, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon next to it so that you're notified for all my future uploads. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy. Bye.